Another great option is new app's Skew image. You can adjust the tilt angle of your image in Canva, both horizontally and vertically. Let's go to the apps and enter Skew image. There is this one app. Click on it. And now we can do choices. We can click choose file and we can select the photo we wanted and click open. Or we can add any photo to our design. We can go to Skew image, and when we select the image, we can adjust the settings. So we can adjust horizontal skew. We can adjust vertical skew. And when it suits us, we can click add to design. And here you go. So we can play with our photos. Let's choose any other photo. Go to Skew image. We can play and try to rotate the photo in any way. And maybe if we like it, we can add one side to the other to create an even more interesting effect, like this. And now we can select both photos, we can group them, and we can resize them, or we can rotate. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and now you will have very interesting photos in your designs. See you!